Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 28. The Fresh Dates. At the capital, on the night of Sunday, the following morning being Monday, the 2nd of the month Zakiri of the year Saz 1225, from the birth of Muhammad, corresponding to the 3rd of Jamadiul Thani, I had a dream. It seemed to me as if 3 silver trays of fresh dates known as ratab were brought and placed before me. The dates were each of the size of a span. They were fresh and full of juice. It was reported to me that they had been reared in the garden. At that moment I awoke and found it was morning. This servant of God interpreted the dream as follows: that by the grace of merciful God, the dominions and homes of all the 3 Kafirs shall fall into his hand. Among the 3 Kafirs are obviously included not only the British and the Marhattas, but the Nizam. In the eyes of Tipu Sultan, he who sided with the Kafirs was a Kafir. On the 3rd of the month mentioned above, news arrived that Nizam Ali was dead. End of Dream 28.